Hey, kia ora everyone, welcome back to the beautiful Waikato. Today we're catching up with John just 10 minutes out of Cambridge to hear all about his Nevada 10,000 litre slurry tanker. Let's get into it. Hey John, so thanks so much for your time today. Tell us about your farm.
So we're farming here in the Waikato, 10 minutes out of Cambridge. Our farm is a family-owned farm, which my wife and I lease from the family for the past 20 years. It's been in the family for 105 years. The contour is flat. It's sandy loam soil type. We're farming over 112 hectares and we are milking 340 cows. Split into two herds. We've got one Jersey herd and one Friesian herd, just for the size of the farm and the size of the paddocks. It just seems to work better. We employ one full-time farm assistant and a couple of part-time relief milkers. Feed, I'd say, would be a System 3 farm. We in-shed feed and also purchase round bale silage on pasture all year round, so no standoff or feed pads. At the moment we have a 30,000 litre underground tank and we pump across to our bladder tank, which is 500,000 litre. We use that for our bulk storage and we pump back to our underground tank to suck with the slurry wagon.